Gala Games is preparing for a massive move towards the upside, and in this video we are going to be covering exactly that. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one I'm going to be covering some price targets which I have for Gala Games for the immediate short term as well as for the longer time frames. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description, and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Gala Games, and for those of you who are new, I just want to clarify that I personally believe this right over here was the bear market low for Jasmine. Now this came at a price of about 0.015, and I personally believe that this was the bear market low for Gala Games for the immediate short term. From this moment onwards, we started forming this massive Elliott wave structure, which includes 5 waves towards the upside. So the first wave towards the upside, second towards the downside, third towards the upside, fourth towards the downside, and the fifth towards the upside. Now guys, I have repeated this constantly on my channel as well, but I don't believe that we are going to be seeing a straight line movement for altcoins in general. I mean, they practically moves in waves, just like you can see with this downtrend as well. Even though this line looks pretty straight and the move also looks pretty straight, however guys, if we just zoom in on the charts, you will be able to see that even though this line seems to be pretty much stable, you can see we were seeing a major pump right over here, some pumps right over here, right over here, right over here as well. So I mean, the move towards the downside is not straight, and that is pretty much similarly how the move towards the upside goes as well. Now right now I believe that we are in this third Elliott wave towards the upside, and I have repeated this constantly on my channel as well, but I do believe that we are not going to be seeing a straight line movement towards the upside. Instead, we are going to be seeing 5 waves playing out, and I personally believe this is just the starting for the wave number 3 in general. So if we take this wave 2 bottom as a starting of the wave 3, you can practically say that this level right over here was the wave 1. We came down in a wave number 2. Right now, or say we practically made this 1-2 setup once again right over here, which is not pretty much ideal, but in the shorter time frames you can practically say that this is ideal, since all of these altcoins are basically based around all of the news which comes around. And right now we are seeing some pretty bullish news coming from the Gala team. They are launching their version 2 of the token. A lot of burning is going on in the Gala ecosystem. A lot more games are being developed. Gala is working towards music. Gala is working towards films. So I mean, the future of the project looks pretty potential, and it has a massive potential in the immediate future, and that is why a majority of the people like to hold Gala Games as one of their highest holdings in terms of altcoins. Now guys, let me tell you some important resistance levels which Gala should not be breaking and which Gala should be breaking. So guys, according to me, I think that Gala should not be breaking below this resistance level right over here, located at around 0.037. Now guys, if we break below this resistance level, I do expect even lower prices for Gala, located around 0.029. Now this is not the likely scenario. Now let me tell you what the most likely scenario for Gala is. Now in the next couple of days, or say in the next 15 to 20 days, we are going to be seeing some consolidation playing out. We might just see a rally towards the upside, you know, basically getting to these levels right over here at about 0.046. We might even see a drop towards these levels right over here at around 0.042. However guys, when the V2 of Gala token launches, I do expect that Gala is going to be getting back on track, and it's going to be giving us those significant gains which all of us really want Gala for us to get. Now my personal targets for Gala are practically the same, and they have been pretty much the same for the entire time. Now my nearest target for Gala is located around right over here at a price of about 0.083. Now my little longer term target for Gala for like the next couple of months or so is located around 0.10, and this has been my longest target for Gala for the longest period now. And if we just zoom out of the charts, you will be able to see that the last time we went towards these targets was located around here, where we saw a massive consolidation playing out. Now I personally believe that we are not going to be dropping anytime soon now, and we are going to be pushing towards the upside just as more bullish news comes in for Gala. Now guys, let me show you some of the indicators, because they are indicating us something really interesting, and something which a lot of you guys should also be taking a note of. So guys, right over here I have the MACD and the RSI indicators opened up, and if we check out both of these indicators, you can see that even though on the RSI we are a little bit oversold, we are practically in the 40ish range, which is not really considered ideal for a coin that has to be moving towards the upside. However guys, you can see that the RSI has remained in this area for quite some time, and we haven't really seen levels like this right over here where RSI bumped to about 80, 70 or even crazier than that. Now even though the RSI is still in the middle, we are seeing some really good news for the MACD indicator. If you check out the MACD indicator right over here, you can see that we haven't really been getting any sort of selling pressure at all. Even though the buying candles is getting weaker and weaker, we can still see that no signs of any sort of selling pressure is coming in. Now for the past couple of weeks we have been seeing that, for the past couple of weeks we have been getting constant buying pressure for Gala games, which is really interesting to see, especially because a lot of people are focusing on stacking up even more Gala games just because the version 2 of the token is launching, and that is going to be providing us with some amazing updates for the near future. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always I'll catch you all tomorrow with another Gala update. Peace out.